Today we're going to show you a couple of stretches that can improve your posture.
First, engage your core and slowly tilt the pelvis backward, pressing your lower back into the mat. Hold it there, then gently release back to neutral. Exhale completely and draw your abdominals inward, rounding the spine. Hold this position briefly before inhaling and returning to neutral. So as you exhale, I want you to draw your belly button in, rounding your back. Begin by crossing your right ankle over your left knee, then slowly guide your legs to the left for the spinal rotation. Turn your switching forward to loose while the braid into fast or blacks and turn to shoulders for what you stand to do. We start in the 90-90 position. Keep your back straight as you slowly rotate your hips to the other side. This is a great stretch for your hips